guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to do tofu and baked sweet potato. This recipe is super easy to make, guys, super healthy, super convenient, very tasty. If you want to continue watching this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get straight into this one, guys. Alright, so first you want to get a brush because we want to brush these, wash them clean, right? We don't want to have any dirt mark on them to put in the oven. So first thing first, you're going to need a brush, a kitchen brush. And get these as clean as you possibly can. What I like to do as well, guys, is to use my Scotch Brite and just scrub it some more. Alright, so now I'm going to just dry them off a bit. What I'm going to do in here now, guys, is to just use a fork to just poke it. As it bakes, it kind of steam right through, right? And now I'm just going to rub some oil on them. We're going to bake these at 250 degrees for 30 or 45 minutes, alright? So after washing your tofu, guys, you're going to prepare it so we can slice them up. Dividing the tofu in two. Adding some all-purpose seasoning here, some white pepper, and some salt. What we're going to do, guys, is to braise these on the stove top in with a small amount of oil, guys, not a lot. Now we're going to add our tofu. Okay, guys, so pretty much when they start to brown on the side, you can just turn them over. So guys, I've removed my first set. Now I'm going to add my second set. I have here some onions, followed by some sweet peppers, and guys, as you can see, the tofu looks really good, and the white pepper and the all-purpose seasoning didn't change the color much, because you know sometimes when you're frying or braising, the seasoning burn on the tofu. That is what I didn't want, so this is why I used the white pepper and a little bit of the all-purpose seasoning with the salt, and it's very so far the flavor is there that I want. I have my Scotch bonnet pepper, and these peppers, guys, I'm just going to use a small amount because they're very hot. Small amount goes a far way with these peppers, guys. I kid you not. And the garlic. Here, guys, I have some cabbage and snow peas. I've gone ahead, guys, and I've deveined my snow peas. That's when you cut off the top here and you just strip it along the hard part to devein it. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, guys, is to just put these over here. and work with my cabbage. And for my cabbage, guys, I'm just cutting it in no particular way. Okay guys, gonna go in with some oil here for my vegetables, some onions, garlic, my carrots, snow peas, alright guys, at this time I'm going to add in my cabbage and a little bit of all-purpose seasoning here. And as you can see guys, I keep turning it just because I don't want the veggies to start steaming, right? So as soon as they're chewable, I'm going to just turn off the heat. Okay guys, let's talk about the sauce. Right here in my cup I have 1 cup of water. To this I'm going to add some soy sauce, just for color, some ketchup, a little vinegar, not a lot, just a little tips, like 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Giving this a stir. Think it needs more soy sauce, just a pinch more. And to this mixture I'm going to add in some cornstarch just to thicken up the sauce. And as you can see over here guys, my vegetables looking so lovely. Adding some oil, just a little bit to saute my vegetables. And to this I'm going to go in with my garlic. I have here some thyme, fresh thyme. I just removed the leaves from the stalk. My onion and scallion, Scotch bonnet pepper, adding in my sweet peppers, to my veggies here guys, I'm going to go in with my sauce. And as usual, you can go ahead and taste to see if the flavor is okay. Adding a little salt here, a little all-purpose seasoning. Okay guys, now that our sauce is looking like this, we're going to add in our tofu. Yes. And guys, this is something very easy to make, very flavorful. And if you don't want no rice, you can always bake some sweet potatoes and enjoy this. And enjoy these sweet potatoes with your meal. Something very nice and flavorful we have here for dinner. So we want to just bring this down for a little, around 5 minutes, and then we take it off. And this is it guys. Nice tofu guys. We're going to turn it off. And you realize over there I did not cover my vegetables simply because I didn't want it to continue to steam. Alright. Here are the sweet potatoes, and a good way you can know when they're finished baking is that you just put a little knife in there, go all the way through, no itch, you're good. So to peel, I'm going to put it in some paper towel. So holding it in some paper towel guys, and the front here from before was a little bit messed up. Gonna cut that off. Pretty hot guys, pretty hot as you can see. This is it, guys. Something very easy and simple. And our tofu. Here is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.